Remove 4 throttle body bolts. Use fast release penetrant. Remove the throttle cables. Remove the sensor plug. Remove 4 bolts. Remove the hose mount. Remove 2 throttle body hoses at the bottom. Remove the old gasket. Clean up the surfaces and install new gasket. Remove 5 intake manifold chamber bolts. Remember to use fast release penetrant. Remove all hoses connected to the chamber. Remove the EACV hose. The 5th bolt. Remove 3 bolts of fast idle valve. Don't lose the O-ring or replace new. Remove old gasket and clean the surfaces. Remove bypass valve body and change gasket. Remove the pressure regulator hose. Remove hose. Remove fuel injectors plugs. Remove 4 bolts. Put the bolts back on, avoid losing them. Remove 3 bolts behind. Remove 5 bolts on top and 4 bolts at the bottom. Remove these 2 bolts from the bottom. Use ratchet to remove bolts from here. Remove 2 manifold bracket bolts. Remove old gasket. Clean the surfaces and install new gasket. All clean.